Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And for this episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this 25th anniversary Lamborghini Countach. I guess that's what it is, Lamborghini Countach. It's a 1/24th scale. Let's see what the kit number is in case you want to look it up. The kit number is 2935. 2935. You can see it right there. Well, I do so much better out in the shed. When I was inside, and I'll probably do some more inside. I felt like I was holding it up in front of me like this. I'll probably do some more inside. We're going to get right into this kit boxing directly after we roll the intro. Okay, welcome back. We've got the intro out of the way, and we're going to open up this box and take a look at it. As you can see, the box has a little bit of damage. Not a huge deal. I think we can work through that. Where did my knife go? I don't know where my knife is, so maybe we're just tearing packages open tonight. I think I brought my knife inside because I was doing a project. But anyways, here's a little bit of what you can do with it. Says on the box, this is copyrighted in 1991, 25th anniversary. So I don't know what year actually this car is, but it says it's a 25th anniversary. I don't like to stand up, does it? We'll put it off to the side. It's distracting me. Right out of the gate here, we got, remember these? The free catalog. You can get that free catalog today. That offer's long since expired, but it's cool. Little nostalgia. I want to pause the camera and read that. There's your write-up on the car. Here's your step number one, it's the engine. The engine right out of the way. This isn't a large instruction manual, as you can see. Hold it back here. That's your instruction manual. Quite a few steps. You got 35 steps to it. We'll go right through it. I'll start over here. Continuation of the engine up here in step 2. All the way through. Not a bad instruction manual. Or instruction paper or booklet. Some people like to call them booklets. For me, it's not really a book, but depends on your internal working vocabulary. And I'm just fine with that. Chrome trees right on top. We'll go into that next. Whoa. Whoa. I didn't know that the clear tree. You know what? That's being temperamental. We're going to go with that. Got your side glass up here. Your windshield. Probably the rear. Looks like your headlights, tail lights, possibly the fog lights, and maybe backup lights. I think we're going to have to order a secondary set of rims for this, because this car only came through with 3 tires, which the person that listed on eBay did indicate. So there's your chrome tree. Looks like exhaust tips here. Alright, so we moved in a little bit closer. And like I just got through saying, we only have the 3 tires. Not a problem. We'll order it. Maybe that's the only upgrade I do on this car, is we'll order some aftermarket tires. So I'm not even going to put those back in there, so I don't have to worry about tire burn, because they aren't going to be used. Really thin plastic on the bag of parts. We're just going to tear it open. My knife's inside. I've been building shelving inside. I'm going to set this off to the side here. It's my favorite part, and I always do that last. Right off the bat here, we got our side pieces for our, I guess you'd say, ground effects. And it looks like the front lower valance for the car. No real clear vision on this car. I That's that. Just no real clear vision. I could say I want to open the doors. I could say I want to do this, that, or the other thing, but I just don't know. So I'm guessing this is part of the rear frame assembly and the tire well for the rear. I don't know what this is. I want to say maybe like cylinder heads or something. This looks like part of the front valance as well. So maybe that other thing was part of the rear valance for the, maybe it was part of the back end. Because this definitely looks like the spot where like the fog lights go and everything. Top of your dash. This looks like the bottom of your transmission. Probably the way this looks, some sort of torsion bar. Your two engine halves here. The bottom of your interior tub. And then there's your interior tub right there. There we got here. Not bad. There's some door, some door detail. It's got some switches down in here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got some switches. Real nice. Not, like I said, not bad detail so far. There's your shot of your undercarriage. Your inner rims, which we won't use because I'm going to have to order a secondary set of rims. Probably part of the oil, I'm sorry, part of the electric fan. There's your exhaust system. I'm assuming headers. There's your cylinder heads right there. So I was wrong about that last piece. Your fans, your radiators here, which go up in those. Well, I'll show you in a second. Like I said, no real clear vision for this car. I just want to have fun with it. And I don't know how detailed it's going to get. Got some suspension up in here and some differentials. Really super thin fan belt assembly. That's gonna be tough to work with. I want to say maybe a wiper assembly. Here's your side view mirrors, your steering column, your pedals. Part of like the intake or system of some sort. These are your wheel hubs, your steering wheel. Some other suspension parts here. This is probably the part where like you would route the ignition cables or the ignition wires. Top of your engine, your intake. Okay. This looks like I guess you call it the cowling or the hood, but it goes on the back because it's a Lamborghini. Your tail light housing, your intake ports, tubes. This looks like it's probably like the front part of the engine, what you would call in a standard like American car, the water pump assembly. This is that exaggerated sort of front bumper. This is your front of your dash, your seats. And this is going to be the part that goes over the spare tire. You'll see that when I go over the body. This is the other portion of the rear frame assembly with your tire well and some loose parts. I'll just show them to you all in one. Well, there's your electric fan. And there's your other 2 or 3 loose parts there. All right. Actually, let me look. Okay. So, you see it? I'm going to put the camera down for just a second. No real, maybe the slightest of body rock, but nothing crazy. So it's it's your standard Lamborghini body. Those radiators are going to go up in here, and these are all like thinned out too. Can you see my hand? That's really good detailing. For being an older kit and everything, I'm pretty impressed with that. It's got the spare tire up in here. You probably could do a ton more with it. Looks like the battery's up in here. You could probably do a ton more with it, but like I said, I have no real clear vision. The Lamborghini Countach is probably my favorite Lamborghini. Just that classic styling. It just looks like a jet to me. The thing looks so cool. We'll get at it at some point. I don't know if it's in the build queue for this year, if it's in the build queue for a year or two down the road, but we'll get after it and see where we go with it, see where the build takes us. I think it's going to be a fun build. That's all I'm willing to commit to at this point. I want to thank you for watching. Toss me a thumbs up. Maybe watch the other video that's suggested here in the end of this video. Toss me a comment. Subscribe. Like I've had a ton of new subscribers. It's been great. Thank you very much. Until we see each other again, everyone out there be safe and everyone be blessed. And thank you for watching.